Always happens. I'm about to start the video, start the intro, get some big jumbo jet flying above me. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to another fire tutorial where today I'm going to be showing you how to nail your double unders. So stick around after this intro. I'm going to be showing you 2 killer drills to making sure that you crush this move for fun. Let's do this.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow. Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Guys, welcome back. So I want to keep this tutorial short, sharp and sweet. For anyone new behind this camera, just subscribe, don't mess around guys, just join this incredible community and movement. It's going to change your life forever and you won't regret it, believe me. Today's drill is going to really help you, I hope anyway, see how easy these can be. Everyone's always thinking that it needs to be really quick. What happens is they become really jerky with their hands and feet. It looks really awkward. So today I'm going to show you that you really need to focus on your balance and your timing, and if you use this drill coming up, you're just going to really realize how simple these can be. I'm not going to go straight into kind of the techniques today because I've done videos on this before, but the drill is to really actually get a count in your head, not to actually count how many double unders you do, but to actually count like a stop clock, as it were. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3 and so on. Obviously it sounds boring me just counting right now on the screen, but what you're going to do is you're just going to keep that count in your head, and that's going to be the timing for your actual double unders. What most beginners or intermediates do is they start their double unders and they're counting how many double unders they've got done. It needs to be the reverse. You need to start counting in your head and make sure that count is very kind of consistent. You're not kind of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point. You're just more like 1, 2, 3. And you just keep that count, and that's going to be your count, your trigger mechanism to start your double unders. So this is the first drill how I'm going to show you. Okay, so when you go into your double unders or your first double unders, you're going to start your kind of stop clock in your head and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now obviously it's going to look a little bit easier because I've been doing these for years now, but you really need to try this drill. You really need to start to count in your head and then let the double unders match to your clock. You don't want to kind of get too jerky, because what most beginners are doing these days is when they start, they're looking to rattle them off really quickly, straight away tripping up. Always just, it's just so quick. How many times I see beginners kind of tripping up on their doubles because they're just trying to go so fast. With this one drill, the slower you count, that's going to be the slower reps. The faster you count is going to be your faster reps. So if you want to slow your reps down, have a slower count. So you look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just quite easily what you're going to start to see is that your timing improves so much more better. You're going to start to jump higher. Your kind of revolutions with your arms are going to be a bit slower. That's the slow count. If you then want to speed it up and go to a quick count, you then obviously have to jump not as high, but you have to speed up your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever you determine the speed of your own count is how your hands and your feet, the height your jumps are then going to align to that count. So that's the first kind of drill, guys. What I want you to do now is I want you to really focus in your power, your core. You want to try and get this like rope around you, this heavy rope around you at the same time as that you did with your speed rope. What people do, or what beginners think, is that with the speed rope they have to go quicker because it's a lighter rope. It does make sense, but with this rope what you need to do is exert power, core, force. It's going to just increase your strength. So you need to get it round at the same tempo and at the same timing. So you keep the kind of timing or the count the same. You're just going to make sure you get that rope around you now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way if you want to go quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is what's so good about having a heavy rope in your bag, because when you do focus in on things like double unders, it does actually improve your timing and your strength, because you're having to try and get that rope around you. Ooh, damn, you don't understand how tired I'm doing this. Remember all the kind of technicals, the fundamentals, elbows back, kind of using your forearms, your thumbs, pushing the rope forward. These are things I've already touched on in previous videos. You need to implement that when you're doing your double unders. This video was for those of you who can actually do basic double unders, but can't chain them. They can't get to the 15s and 20s and 30s. Start this count in your head. Believe me, before you know it, you're gonna hit 30, then 50, and then 100. Hopefully that will help you on your journey, guys, to crushing those doubles. It's a real simple drill, guys. You're probably gonna think it looks too easy, but just give it a go. Let me know in the comments down below if it helped you. The reason I made this video is because I got a ton of requests about drills on how to improve double unders. So if you have any other kind of requests, leave them down below as well, and I will get back to you as I always do. So guys, without further ado, I'll check you in that next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.